Welcome to this guided affirmation meditation for financial success. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax and your mind to quiet. Today, you open your heart and mind to the infinite abundance of the universe. This session is your time to connect with the energy of wealth and prosperity. Every word you hear is meant to reprogram your subconscious mind, releasing old limiting beliefs and inviting financial success into your life. Let these affirmations sink deeply into your being. Close your eyes if you wish, and simply listen to the sound of your breath. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat, a gentle reminder of the life force within you. You are deserving of abundance, deserving of wealth and success. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter in your financial journey. Allow any tension or worry to melt away as you embrace the energy of prosperity. You are safe, you are loved, you are abundant. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. With each breath, let go of stress and invite peace. Breathe in slowly. Feel the cool air filling your lungs. Pause. Hold that breath for a moment. Now, exhale gently, releasing all tension from your body. Allow your muscles to soften and your mind to become calm. Imagine a warm golden light enveloping you. This light represents abundance and financial prosperity. Feel it surrounding you, seeping into every part of your being. With every inhalation, draw in positive energy. With every exhalation, let go of doubts. Continue to breathe slowly, in, pause, out. Let the stillness fill you, and feel your inner power growing with each breath. Now, let the affirmations for financial success resonate within you. Repeat them silently or aloud, letting each word settle in your soul. After each statement, pause for a few moments to truly absorb its meaning. I am financially abundant. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. Every day, I attract new financial opportunities. I am worthy of wealth and success. I release all limiting beliefs about money. I attract prosperity in all areas of my life. I am a magnet for financial abundance. I use my wealth to create a positive impact. I trust the universe to provide for me. Wealth and success are my birthright. I align myself with the energy of abundance. My income is constantly increasing. I welcome unexpected financial blessings. I am grateful for all the money I have and all that is on its way. Abundance is all around me. Opportunities for wealth surround me daily. I confidently take action to create financial success. I deserve a rich and fulfilling life. I attract money with ease and joy. Money is a tool that allows me to live my best life. I am free from financial worry. I am capable of creating unlimited wealth. I believe in my ability to earn and grow wealth. I am attracting financial freedom and security. My bank account grows effortlessly. I welcome prosperity into my life with open arms. I am aligned with the vibration of wealth. Everything I touch turns to gold. I am grateful for my financial success. Money is drawn to me in expected and unexpected ways. My financial situation improves every day. I am surrounded by wealth and abundance. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied. I am constantly creating new income streams. I let go of scarcity and embrace limitless abundance. I feel deep gratitude for my present and future wealth. I continuously expand my financial wisdom. My wealth enables a fulfilling and generous life. I attract the right clients, partners, and opportunities. I make smart decisions that lead to financial success. Each financial choice takes me closer to prosperity. The more I give, the more I receive. My financial success benefits me and those around me. I am in full control of my financial future. Wealth and abundance are drawn to me naturally. My finances improve beyond my wildest dreams. I wake each day with a millionaire mindset. I am on the path to financial freedom. I effortlessly attract wealth and success. My mind is programmed for financial success. I appreciate all sources of income in my life. Financial abundance is my reality. I welcome wealth with open arms. My situation improves with every passing day. I choose prosperity over fear and doubt. My dreams of financial freedom become reality. I am empowered to create the financial life I desire. Success and prosperity flow to me effortlessly. I am confident and capable in every financial decision. I value money, and it comes to me easily. The universe supports all my financial goals. My actions align with wealth and success. I am worthy of limitless financial blessings. The energy of abundance is all around me. I manifest financial success through positive thoughts and actions. Wealth and success are already mine. I create opportunities for myself every day. I trust my financial vision. I see abundance in every aspect of life. I am open to new streams of income. My financial growth is steady and unstoppable. Every moment offers a chance to succeed financially. I nurture my relationship with money with gratitude. I celebrate every financial victory, big or small. My bank balance grows as I share my gifts with the world. I honor the financial wisdom that guides my actions. Now, visualize a radiant golden light enveloping you completely. See this light pulsate with the energy of wealth and prosperity. Watch it fill every corner of your being, warming your heart and illuminating your path. Imagine standing in a space where financial opportunities abound. Every door you see opens to success and abundance. Visualize streams of golden light, representing money, flowing into your life from every direction. Feel the excitement and warmth as each opportunity embraces you. Let this golden glow dissolve any doubts about your financial future. It fills you with confidence and the certainty that you deserve prosperity. Picture yourself achieving every financial goal, surrounded by limitless abundance. Experience the freedom that comes with financial security. Allow this vision to become your reality. Keep the image of this radiant light with you as you continue your journey. Now, take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the energy of abundance lingering in every fiber of your being. Reflect on the affirmations you have absorbed today. Know that with each repetition, you strengthen a mindset of prosperity. Hold deep gratitude for the financial blessings already in your life and those yet to come. Take a few moments in silence to let this gratitude settle within you. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your arms, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this profound sense of abundance and empowerment with you throughout your day. Remember, you are financially successful. You are abundant. You are unstoppable. These affirmations remain with you always, guiding you toward ever greater prosperity. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, for your healing, reflection, and transformation. May every step you take lead you closer to the financial freedom you deserve. Embrace your journey with joy, gratitude, and unwavering belief in your success.